I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
You have everything there. Oh!
Starfleet Command has always given me special roles to play on this Starship Enterprise, but this isn't from Starfleet. Actually, this is from the Plaid Corporation. That's right. I have been named the Intergalactic Plaid Ambassador. Okay, maybe not intergalactic, but yes, Plaid Corporation has asked me as a social media influencer to become one of their product ambassadors. So now I want to share with you what I received from the Plaid Corporation. And these will be featured on some of my crafting segments later this year. So let's just go through it real quick. They gave us a lot of stuff. Let's start over here on this side. So these are painted finishes, and these are finishes that can give you anything from like metal to rust. This is great for farmhouse styles and stuff like that, and you know, rustic old-fashioned styles, to this mossy stuff. It's called, what is it called? Moss. That's it, just moss. Not mossy stuff or anything else. I'm giving it another name, but it's just to give stone the look of moss, which is really cool. Then we have these glazes that you can mix with your paints. I have cream puff and cafe noir. So we have two glazes that I can use for my painting products. They also gave me this handy dandy little paint tray so I can put all my paintbrushes, clean them out and use them for my projects. And then we have this multi-surface, we've got a lot of metallics in this wonderful care package that they sent me. So they gave me multi-purpose in silver and gold, and I think this is chocolate brown, but I think it's really cool that it's multi-surface, but it's still metallic-y. Then I have brushed metals. I have a bunch of brushed metals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 brushed metals. So it's all the different, we have coppers and we have like the rose gold, which is very in now. So I'm gonna be doing some stuff with rose gold coming soon. Now, the product that I'm super excited about because I've never used before. I haven't used any of these before actually, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun experimenting with these. But I didn't know this existed. I don't know if this is a new line by them, but I am so impressed that they have this. And this is Leather Studio. I almost read Leather Stud, you know, but no, it's Leather Studio. You can be a leather stud using Leather Studio by Plaid. That's right. So I'm really excited about using this on purses, on shoes, on belts. Can you imagine? Imagine a leather jacket that's like, you pick it up at Goodwill and it's not in the best condition, and then you can paint it and do whatever you like with it. I think this is a great idea for a product and I can't wait to use it. Then we have just multi-purpose paints from Folk Art. I love Folk Art, and all of these are Folk Art, and these are Folk Art as well. And multi-surface paints as well in the beautiful aqua that's gonna be in for the summer, and red. And they gave me some painting trays and just a wonderful cornucopia of products that I can use with all these different ideas that I have in mind for the rest of the year. So I wanted to extend an intergalactic thank you to the Plaid Corporation for selecting me to be their ambassador, and I shall do it with pride. I don't know if I have to be signed in or sworn in or anything else, or if I get to wear a crown. I can get my own crown, that's fine, I'll do it, and I'll be your Plaid ambassador for the rest of the year. So thanks again, and there will be more products coming, I understand. So I can't wait to showcase all the products that they have out there. Thank you again to Plaid Products, and thanks to you, my audience members, who gave me 1,000 subscribers last year. That was the greatest accomplishment, and we're gonna go up to 5,000 by the end of this year, I hope. Crossing fingers and hoping. So thank you again. Have a wonderful day, and keep it out there, keep it creative, and keep making stuff. It's always fun to make something new. And take care, and check out the Plaid products out there in the stores.